This is Colin Dijs from Debru, and in this video I have a big announcement for you. Facebook ads with ClickBank. I'm teaming up with one of my students to show you how to run, start and scale your affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads and ClickBank up to $3,000 a day or more, right? It's important to know where to start, how to optimize, how to scale. This is Facebook white hat approach, so we don't have to deal with that many ad account bans. And I'm going to document this for you in a journey playlist. So basically, once you're done finishing this video, there will be another video, another video, another video teaching you everything you need to know how to run ClickBank products using Facebook ads. These are some results of my student, so these are not my results. I give you a full overview of how we got together, how we work together. I might even bring him on YouTube as well to have some conversations. For now, he likes to remain anonymous. However, you can see we are working with a good amount of numbers, so 5K, 10K a week, scaling it quite rapidly, going towards a 20K a week. So the thing is, we're working with several ad accounts. The student, when I think about a year ago, did the Commission Hero course, which is very famous for ClickBank, and he didn't have too good of an experience with that. I'm not going to put down that course, but it happens. He did the private coaching for that as well. It was a good start, but not exactly what he was looking for. So he came to me for coaching on native and told me about all his Facebook experience he had so far. And I really saw some opportunity in that. There were already some numbers coming in. So what we decided to do is boost his Facebook up with some good strategies and basically scaling Facebook first before adding in native later. There are now 3 accounts running. So on the left we have the biggest account, on the right we have the second biggest, and the third screenshot, it's only an account with like $300, $500 a day, so I left that one out. We're working basically with $3,000 to $5,000 sometimes per day in revenue. We're running at about 100% ROI, 98% ROI. And for full transparency, I'm doing this entire journey. There will be maybe up to 100 videos in this playlist. You will be able to learn so much about Facebook ads with ClickBank. You will see live builds, how to make creative, how to make landers, how not to get banned. And I will put a premium course together, which you can get for free if you join my software platform called the Debru Suite for your first month, 97 euros, which is just over $100, which I think is completely fair with the value I share with you. If you are not interested in that, you can still consume all the content for free. But obviously, I'm helping my student, I'm helping you guys. And if you want to do it exactly how I do it and how I'm teaching my student, then obviously I use my own softwares because obviously I need to make money because I run a business. So what we will show you is how to get started small, right? Small doesn't mean $10. Small for me means $500 as a starting budget to test the waters, to learn what you need to learn in order to get your affiliate marketing business up and running. Because operating ClickBank products using Facebook ads as a business is not that difficult. That doesn't require a huge investment like native ads, for example, and the scalability is there, right? So we'll show you how to scale from anywhere from 25,000 a month to 100,000 a month. I'm getting my student ready for his first 100 grand month, but obviously it took him over, let's say, well, he's been working with me for about a month and a half right now, just over 1 month, I think. But he's been doing this for, I think, 8 to 12 months. So it does take some time. We'll look at the creatives together. So I will give you examples. I will build real campaigns together on YouTube. I will show you landing pages, so basically how to create them, what is important, what you need to look at. And obviously the compliance, what you need to do in order to lower the risk of getting banned. So all this information combined into a playlist basically gives you a very detailed program, which is almost like a course. Like a course is a little bit more premium because it costs money, right? But I would say if you consume all the content in this playlist, you have an amazing foundation for you to get your affiliate marketing business up and running using Facebook ads. So let's say you don't have $100 to invest into my products. I don't give a damn, right? I still appreciate you watching this content. I want the best for you, and I hope you can scale your business, get it off the floor with this playlist. So this will be weeks, if not months. I'm trying to keep it up with the videos as long as I can, but obviously I manage 4 companies right now, so it's quite busy, but I will basically show you everything you need to know. So what I would appreciate it if you made it this far, you're excited for this playlist, then please give this video a thumb up and comment down below what you would like to see, right? Because the calendar is pretty wide open. What I will try to do is upload 1 video per day on a good topic. I will give you about 10 to 30 minutes of my time each day where I explain everything for free, and all I ask for you is like this video, comment below what you would like to see, what is your biggest struggle, and I will make it happen. So this is what we're doing. I'm super excited to do this journey, explain once more, step by step, how it works, because that is really my passion. So I hope you are excited as well. Tomorrow, the first video. If it's already live, go to the playlist, click the next video, and I'll see you there.